Hello, today I will talk about working on my project. The subject of my website is smart homes. I decided to select it because it's interesting to me as I can see how ideas that years ago were just a part of science fiction now can be implemented anywhere. To build my website, I started with creating a free account on Azure for students. Website is running on LAMP server and the process wasn't very complicated, but it wasn't easy at times. Domain is from Freenom. They offer free domains. To have secure website, I created Let's Encrypt certificate with Cerebot open source software. Website has analytics server, Matomo, and Matomo was very problematic at the start. So whenever I was working on my website in WordPress panel, Matomo was slowing everything down and eventually I would get database error. Now, that's why I decided to leave adding Matomo to the last moment. But since I increased RAM in a virtual machine, database error stopped. One thing that I was very cautious about is making sure to create backups and have strong password as website was hacked and in the process I lost all my work. If we look at WordPress panel, the first thing we see is data from Matomo. It's a great tool that can help improve any website. For this project, I created several graphics to display statistics about smart homes. Any image that is not custom is reference. So is the data in graphs. To enhance the website, I decided to display information on one of the pages in the form of flipbook. So I created brochure and exported it as a PDF, which then I added to Flipbook plugin. The plugin is implemented on the website, on the page, using shortcode. The theme I selected is Neve. It has a few interesting options, plus very good customizer, which makes editing slightly easier. One of the plugins I'm using is Site Origin widgets. Now that plugin has a number of widgets available and I'm using some of them, like for example text editor that allows me to add text and images and make changes. If I had plugin, for example, for gallery, I could also use that in that editor. Now, all-in-one migration is an essential plugin, as I learned the hard way, because it does allow to create backups, and if anything goes wrong, we can always use them. To make website more user-friendly, I added Scrolltop plugin. It's handy, especially with pages with lots of content. Website has also a PVA plugin that allows users to download it on their devices, either smartphone, desktop or tablet. I spent some time thinking how I would like to reference page to look like, and I didn't want simple list. So instead I decided to use accordion. So right now each page has its own section, and if we scroll, it changes. On hover, it changes color, and when we click, we can see the list of references for each page. Thank you.